Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I just want to share something with you today. I did an experiment. I found out about this way how to grow a avocado tree, right, from using the seed. And I say, you know what, this is quite interesting, so I gave it a try. So as you can see here, I have 3 seeds here all set based on the instructions that I found. I didn't save the channel. I can't even remember where I found it and how to find it back. Anyway, so as you can see here, I have the seeds set in a bottle of water. You can see having roots and everything. This is so cool, right? The suggestion was that you can see here I have them set up with some toothpicks. That is to be able to support them in the bottles. And then I fill the bottles with water. And this one probably about a month or something ago, and they're all growing roots. I'm so excited. And this one in particular is growing to the top. See that there? It's growing to the top. So my next step now is to put it in a plant pot as you would call it, and with some soil, and let this thing do its thing, continue to grow its natural way. I'll eventually put the plant outside and so you can get some sunshine, rain and everything, you know. So I'll just do this first one that has the that's growing to the top, and I'll leave these other 2 here to grow like how this one is growing. What I forgot to say is that I have these seeds in my kitchen. I'm just growing because I didn't know what was going to happen, you know. I just did it for fun, and I'm so happy with the results so far. So yes, I'm going to put the first one that I set in a pot with some soil, put it outside so we'll get some sunshine and some rain and everything, you know. So I'll keep you posted. And before setting them with the toothpicks, I had to peel off the extra brown skin. That was the instructions, and then set it up with the toothpicks and then put it in a bottle of water. Yeah, pretty cool, eh? This is another seed that I have set here. This is the second one that I will be planting in some soil very, very soon. And as you could see, the seed is splitting down the center. It has grown roots, as you could see here. But as the shoot at the top begins to shoot out, the seeds open up more and more, right, to facilitate the growing of the shoot on top, right? Just for information's sake. So you know that you see this progressing and it's growing nicely. I can't really get too close so you can see exactly what's happening inside, but at least you can see and have an idea of what's going on. You know, this is so cool. I just love doing this experiment. It really, really is cool. So very, very soon, when the top of the tree, the plant has grown a little more, I'm going to put this in some soil. Yeah, baby. And this is one of the avocados that I think is I don't know where it's from, but I suspect it's from the Caribbean, but I don't know what type of avocado. I don't know the name for it, but I know for sure it's not one of those little ones that you get from Florida. For sure it's not that type of avocado. Today is January the 15th. As you can see here, a bug is attacking the leaves. So I went into my plant store to get something that I could use to kill these bugs. Let me show you what I got. So this is the product that I got from my plant store to help me get rid of those bugs that are attacking the leaves on the avocado tree, avocado plant.